Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung paano gumawa ng professional website gamit ang Squarespace sa 2024. Whether you're looking to showcase your work, attract new clients, or launch a professional portfolio, Squarespace offers a user-friendly and versatile platform to bring your website vision to life. Siguraduhin you stick around until the end dahil ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano makakatipid ng 10% gamit ang aming exclusive link. Let's dive in. So, ang unang gagawin mo ay click ang aming exclusive link sa description to get started with Squarespace. It'll bring you to this page right here. I-click mo lang ang Get Started. Once you click Get Started, makikita mong iba't ibang templates to choose from. Depende sa gusto mong gawin, you can filter the template depending on the type ng website na gusto mong gawin. Dito makikita mo na marami kang pagpipilian. So let's go ahead and select this one. Dito, pwede natin baguhin ang sample color presets if we would like. Kung gusto mong palitan ng kulay ng theme, you can. Pero sa ngayon, hayaan muna natin to. Now, what we're gonna do is create our account. You can create your account with Google, Apple, or email. Go ahead and click Continue with email. Dito, you'll type in your first name, last name, pati na rin ang email address at password mo. Finally, go ahead and click Continue. And then we're going to enter a name for our site. Dahil gagawin natin ito photography site, go ahead and click Continue. Dito makikita mo yung homepage at tulad ng nakita mo sa gilid, marami pang iba't ibang options na pwedeng pagpilian. Nandyan na ang website natin, pati na ang mga pages. Tatalakayin natin ng mas detalyado ito. And styles, kung saan pwede mong baguhin ang overall design. Meron ding assets section, kung saan pwede nating i-drag ang iba't ibang files and manage them. Under products and services, you can see options to manage products, mag-track ng orders, magdagdag ng discounts, and utilize selling tools. Meron din invoicing system, content at membership, donations, at scheduling tools. This really highlights how Squarespace is an all-in-one platform. Hindi na tayo mag-go into detail to everything because we're just focusing on building a professional website. Pero meron din silang options para sa finance, marketing, contacts, and analytics. Then we have the settings, navigation down here. Ngayon that we're back at the homepage, let's begin customizing. The cool thing about Squarespace is meron itong drag and drop editor at sobrang intuitive gamitin. Tignan natin ang ilang essentials gamit ang editing tool. Para makapasok sa editing portion ng site, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay click ang edit. Once we do that, you can see how as we hover over certain sections and we can edit them accordingly. So here you can click on a section again. If you hover over this block, you can edit the section. The editor also lets you see how your website will look on both desktop, mobile, so be sure to switch between views as you build. To do that, all you have to do is click up here. Pwede mong piliin ang desktop view and then switch to mobile view as well. Ang feature na to ay helpful because so many people will access your website from a mobile device. Susunod, let's go into changing images and text. Para i-customize ang text, kailangan mo lang i-click ito. Pwede mong edit para magkasya ang gusto mong sabihin at mag-a-adjust ito based on the wording. Here, you can also change between heading 1, heading 2, or paragraph styles, which will adjust the fonts accordingly. Pwede mo rin gawing bold o italize ang text. There's so much customization you can do with this editor. Kung gusto nating palitan ng photo na to, kailangan lang natin i-click ang edit section. Pagkatapos, ang background settings, dito pwede mong palitan ng image ng video o artwork. Squarespace also offers a bunch of different background options you can pick from. Sige, gawin na lang natin yan ngayon. And you'll see it automatically populates. Here are some different colors. If you want to edit the colors, pwede kang gumawa ng custom color o pumili mula sa palette to make sure everything stays on brand. Susunod, let's talk about how you can add new sections to your website. To do this, kung gusto nating magdagdag ng section, we would click here. Pwede mong piliin magdagdag ng blank if you'd like. Kung magsisimula ka sa blank section at gusto mong magdagdag ng iba't ibang text, videos, o ibang content, here's how. To add content, you'll simply click Add Block. There are so many different things you can add na naka-customize ayon sa need mo. Let's say we want to add some text with a button below that says, check out our newsletter. From here, we can drag this element around wherever we would like. As you can see, we can center it, making sure it's aligned evenly. Here, we can change the text to a heading or adjust the size to however big we want. You can even fine-tune the spacing and alignment. Kung gusto nating i-center ang text, madali lang natin itong mababago. Kung gusto naman nating gawin ng mas malaki, i-adjust lang natin ang text box ayon sa kailangan. Now, sabihin natin gusto nating magdagdag ng button para tignan ang ating newsletter. Meron silang specific na newsletter button na pwede mong i-click dito. Pero ngayon, magdadagdag tayo ng custom button para mapakita sa inyo kung paano gawin to. I-click mo lang ang Learn More at makikita mong wala pa to. There we go. We'll click Learn More to edit the button. You can double-click on it and then it'll open this little box and you can click here. And then for the design, pwede kang pumili mula sa iba't ibang button styles na available. Again, sobrang customizable nito. Pero mahalagang panatilihing on-brand ang design kaya pinadili talaga ng Squarespace ang paggawa nito. Sabihin na natin na gusto natin ganun lang. At siguro gusto natin magkasya to. Pwede mo ulit baguhin ang alignment at syempre siguraduhin mong ilagay ang link dito. Pinitin mo lang ang button at pwede mong palitan ng page na to o custom URL. Pwede tong URL, file, email, phone. So ano man ang kailangan kailangan mo, pati na rin ibang pages kung gusto mo. Kapag tapos ka na, you're good to go at siguraduhin mong isave ito. Siguraduhin natin maganda yung itsura nito sa mobile. Kaya click natin yan at tignan. Makikita natin na hindi ito ganun ka-centered. So we can adjust it here. Kung gusto mong gawin medyo mas maliit at i-center ito, ayan, okay na. Pero tandaan, kailangan mong i-adjust depende sa kung paano ito titignan sa mobile at desktop. Kaya magta-toggle ka lang pabalik-balik at ayusin ito para mag-work ayon sa'yo. Isa pang magandang idagdag sa homepage mo ay ang contact page. Para gawin ito, click natin ang ad blocker and then we'll add contact na magiging form. Dito makikita mo, I should say, we went to delete and remove this contact from the beginning. Dito makikita mo na pwedeng i-customize ang form. Pwede mong baguhin ang pangalan ng form, pati na rin yung nakasulat dyan sa button. Pwede mo rin i-edit ang mga form fields. Once it's submitted, what do you want it to say? Do you want it to redirect somewhere and attach some sort of link, or do you want it to be a message? Next, pag-usapan natin kung paano gumawa ng portfolio page. So, what we're gonna do is go ahead and click save, and then we'll go ahead and click exit so we can get to the navigation bar. Okay, we'll go to pages. Dito makikita mo ang main menu, and that is what is shown right here. O kaya meron tayong iba pang pages na hindi pa nakalink. I always recommend making them unlinked at first while you're editing them, especially if your site is already alive. Pinutin natin ang page at pagkatapos ay click ang portfolio. Dito pwede tayong pumili ng kahit anong templates na gusto natin. May ilang options tayo dito, so let's go ahead and click this one. Pwede rin natin baguhin ang pangalan nito at mula dito pwede nating i-edit tulad ng ginawa natin sa ibang pages. This is the homepage of the portfolio, and then you can see here, project 1 is right here. If you want to go ahead and edit the page individually, we can click here or in here. Let's go ahead and click edit so we can edit the homepage. Again, tulad ng ibang page, we can address it as needed. So let's just say we want to add another block and we'll add another text. We want to add this in the middle and maybe we want this more of like a heading. Gagawin nating heading and then we can go ahead and shift this like that. We're going to have to make sure we save that. Tapos kung gusto natin pumasok sa mga individual portfolio projects, i-click natin yung exit para makapunta sa navigation. Tapos i-click natin yung project 1. Dito pwede ulit natin i-edit kung anong gusto natin. Kaya i-click natin yung edit. Baka gusto natin palitan yung mga photos, so pwede natin i-edit yung gallery. From there, pwede natin piliin lahat ng image, magdagdag ng links, descriptions, or whatever it may be. Pati na rin kung gusto mo magdagdag ng bagong project, pwede mo i-click yung plus button. Pwede ka magdagdag ng blank project, pumili mula sa templates nila, and it automatically names it. Ito ulit yung setting sa loob ng specific na project na to. Kung gusto mo naman gawin sa homepage, punta tayo sa setting, pero ito yung settings para sa project mismo. Kung gusto mong palitan ng image, pwede mo yung gawin. Pwede mo rin palitan yung title, yung URL ending, at pwede mo rin i-duplicate o i-delete ito. Balik tayo sa main navigation menu. Sabihin na lang natin na gusto nating idagdag yung photo portfolio sa main navigation dito. You can see it's up here now, but again, if you want to move it back, you can totally do that. So again, these are just not linked. Pero sabihin na lang natin na gusto nating gumawa ng blog para sa website natin. Makikita mo na may isa ng blog na na-create. You add the blog yourself, you can just go ahead and click the plus button and click blog, and it'll add it for you. So if we want to add a page to our blog, pumunta ulit tayo sa navigation menu, i-click yung blog pages dito, tapos makikita mo lahat ng blogs na meron ka na so far. If you want to add a new one, all you have to do is go ahead and click the plus button here. Makikita mo na naka-draft form pa siya. Yung mga hindi naka-draft, ibig sabihin ay published na. Pero kung live ng site mo, you wouldn't want to be showing all the editing as you're completing it. Naka-draft mode pa siya ngayon. I-click natin yung edit ulit. Dito pwede mong i-edit ang post title ayon sa gusto mo at magsulat ng blog. Kung gusto mong magdagdag ng mga pictures, videos, buttons, pwede mo rin gawin yan. Hover lang dito at i-click yung maliit na blue plus button. Kung gusto nating i-publish, we can either go ahead and click up here and click publish, or we can go ahead and schedule it, which is really great. Pwede kang pumili ng araw at oras kung kailan mo gusto i-publish. Tapos i-click mo yung schedule. That way, you don't have any unfinished work just sitting on your site. You can publish it once it's completed. So now, lastly, we need to publish our site. So let's go ahead and do that. Ngayon na meron na tayong blog, portfolio, homepage, and you understand the different pages and how to add new pages for whatever you need, we'll go ahead and go back home. Now, what we're gonna do is go ahead and click the settings. From here, you can see what your website availability is. Kailangan mong mag-upgrade sa paid plan, pero ipapakita ko kung paano makakuha ng 10% off using our code. So again, to make it public, you will need to upgrade, which we'll do, but this is where you would change it from private to public so the public could access it. If you want to get a domain, or if you already have a domain, you would do that here. You can register and manage domains here, o kaya mag-sign up para sa Google Workspace on a monthly or annual subscription here. Now that you understand exactly how to build a website, i-customize ito at i-publish. Pag-usapan natin kung paano ka makakakuha ng 10% off gamit ang aming exclusive code. So again, you want to make sure you use our exclusive link in the description when you create your account. Pagtapos, ang gagawin gagawin mo ay punta ka sa billing. We're going to manage subscription plans. We don't have any active subscriptions. I-click yung subscribe pagkatapos pipili tayo ng plan. Dito makikita mo na may iba't ibang plan sila depende sa pangangailangan mo. Meron tayong personal plan na $16 per month pero makakatipid ka kung gusto mo magbayad ng annual. Moving on to the business plan, it starts at $23 per month but again, you can save 10% using our code. Pagkatapos, para naman sa Commerce Basic, ito ay $28 bawat buwan pero kung gusto mo magbayad annually, mas makakatipid ka rin doon. At ang huli ay ang commercial plan. This is $52 per month pero kung gusto mo magbayad for the full year, you can save some money there. Again, kasama na dito ang lahat ng nasa basic commerce plan but you get a few extra tools over here. Piliin natin ang pinaka-popular which is a business plan. Go ahead and pay annually. You enter in your card information tapos i-click natin yung save and continue. Mula dito, ilagay yung promo code na my first website in all caps. I-click and it'll be applied. Then, all you have to do is press confirm payment. That covers this course on how to create a professional website with Squarespace mula sa pag-customize ng layout hanggang sa pagdagdag ng blog at contact form. You're now ready to make a powerful impression online. If you're ready to start building your website, make sure to use our exclusive link at i-type ang my first website to save 10% off of Squarespace. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe para sa mga ganitong klaseng video and leave any comments or questions you have below. Ang channel na to ay tumutulong sa iyo mag-build ng online presence with the best tools and strategies. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you in the next video.